Hey guys, Lucy here, and today we're going to be making slime, I guess. So let's get started. So what we have, some pink dye. I already kind of started. We have some blue dye. I hope you can see it. We have some like contact borax solution, whatever you call it. We have some glue that I already poured into this little Play-Doh can. Some white glue, and yeah. Gonna be trying to make this with one hand. So hard to get out. We're only gonna add a little. So comment down below what color should we use, but right now we're just gonna make it white, and then we could add the color. See, I have like a strategy. You don't have to call it a strategy. Okay. Let's add 2 drops. You need a mixing tool. Crap. I'm feeling a little bit like it won't work. Let's add 3 drops. Let's just mix it with this. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this down and then show you how it turns out. Ooh. Well, guys, it looks like it's getting a little bit more thick. So, I'm gonna try to play with it. Well, feels like mashed potato. Oh no, it just feels like glue. Oh geez. Save the day, borax. Alright. This is a sticky mess on my hands. Oh geez. So like I said, comment down below what color you want me to make it, and I'll turn it that color. So say you guys have more votes on pink, then I'll do pink. If you have more votes on blue, I'll do blue. And okay, so hope you can see that. Okay, so here it is. It's very, very sticky. And I really don't know how it's turning out. See this, guys? It's like not even... It's going a little bit. It's going kind of. And then when you put it in your hands, it's just a sticky mess. Yeah. So that's it for this video, and I'm gonna make more, and then comment down below in that description what color you want me to do with it, pink or blue. Or I could try to find other colors, but I think just pink and blue for now. Okay. Bye, guys.